The VIOFO A229 Pro is the first dash cam that with dual Sony Starbus 2 sensors for both front and rear. The 4K front camera uses a bigger sensor IMX678 to offer a wider dynamic range and higher light sensitivity, bringing much less noise and motion blur. The rear cam records in 2K resolution by using a Starbus 2 IMX675 sensor. Outstanding 4K and 2K resolution helps you to capture all road conditions around your car. With HDR, to catching license details in fast move in the dark night. Quad mode GPS. Smarter voice control and notification. Faster 5 GHz Wi-Fi. These excellent features make the A229 Pro to be the first choice of your safe driving.